So I'm back here with a Ranger 400 Volantex RC, and after taking it to a nice area where I could fly it, this is what I have to say about it. So first of all, I set up the landing gear, which did not come with the plane, and this thing is extremely nose heavy, and although I did get one really good flight out of it, after that it kept smashing into the turf, into the cement, and so this came off, but it doesn't end there. There was more damage. This part here broke, and now it's stuck in there, so now this basically no longer goes back in there. So that's done. I'm gonna have to glue that back on and glue this back on. But overall, the biggest problem that I'm having with this plane is just like most of the other planes that I've flown, it has to be pretty high off the ground for it to fly well, and that is not something that I'm very happy about. So yeah, that's where we are. Thanks for watching.